You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word, this one, because there are different pronunciations, slightly different pronunciations in English, ever so slightly different. The most common pronunciation, though, is as perpetuate. Perpetu, with a ch sound, okay, not a t sound. Perpetuate. Perpetuate, and a stress on the second syllable. So that's the most common, both in British English and American English pronunciations. But it is also correct to say it as perpetuate with a T sound, okay? So you can have a ch sound or a T sound for the first T. Perpetuate or perpetuate. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.